In this video, we're looking for a difference again. So it's asking us to choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. So one number minus the other is 2. So the difference between the two numbers has to be 2. We're going to be using our estimation skills again here. We can clarify we have the right answer by doing actual subtraction. But like I said last time in the addition section, I think estimating is a more important skill again because we're using it a lot more often. So we're looking for a difference of 2. My eyes are immediately drawn to the big numbers and I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. The difference between 600 and 100 or something is like 400. The difference between either of these numbers and the smaller numbers is, again, huge. So then I'm just like, oh, the difference between 7 and 9, that has a difference of 2. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. Simple as that. Same concept. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Blank and blank have a difference of 189. So this one's a little trickier, but I know 5, 8, 9, those don't have a difference between themselves. Or 31. It's got to be with one of these big numbers and then a smaller number, I think, because this is about 200, this is only 250, so the difference between those two is not big enough. That's the question, though. 189. I have a feeling 197 and one of these small numbers. Let's try them out. 197 minus 9. 7 minus 9 I can't do. I borrow. That becomes an 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. 8, 1. Ah, so close, but yet so far. No dice. Okay. Let's try 197 minus 8. 7 minus 8 we can't do. Borrow. That becomes an 8. That becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 8, 1. Boom. 189. So our difference is between 197 and 8. See, even for myself, I can estimate a bit, but I definitely do have to check because I wasn't sure. Those are pretty close. And the last example, choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Blank minus blank equals 4,870. So the difference is almost 5,000. I think it's going to have to be between this small number and one of the big ones because the difference between these two is really small. Between even that is only a couple thousand. I'm thinking it's between the 78 and one of these two big numbers, but I'm not sure which. It's 870. I have a feeling it might be this guy because I think that difference, maybe not. That minus, yeah, I think it might be this one. Let's try it out. 4,948. I think minus the 900, the 78 minus that is going to be about 870 like this. But we'll see. 78. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 7 I can't do. I borrow from the 9. That becomes an 8. That becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus nothing is 8. 4 minus nothing is 4. 4,870. I was correct. So the difference between 4,948 minus 78 equals 4,870. That's it for this video. Good luck with this section.